Hello guys, Steve here, RC10 and today I got something in this package here, and it's for the freshly done RC10 Beauty. And what's in this package, I got it off eBay. It's chassis protectors. So we're gonna go on the bench and we'll install them. I'll leave the link for them in the video description below. I hope they work out. Let's get to it. Alright guys, these look really good. They give you 2 in a pack. They're pretty thick. So what we're going to do is put one on the chassis. What I'm going to do here is use some rubbing alcohol. I got that right here. And we're going to clean up the chassis. But first, let me get the body off. Alright. So I guess I'll just spray this rag here. I don't know where this goes, but I'm going to do the whole thing. Get rid of any dirt if you used your car, or grease or anything. Alright, now you want to let that dry before you stick this on. Let's just see how this is going to go. I guess it goes something like that. You could put it forward more. I would like it rearward more so covers everything. So I guess this little notch here, see this little notch here? Put that just about with that notch there. But what I'm going to do is pull this back and use a scissor and cut just an edge off so that way I could stick it on and move it around. Let me let this dry off because it's kind of cold down here, and I'll get to it. Alright, I'm back. Let's see if we could get this on here. I'm gonna line it up with the front like I showed you, like right on with that. Let me check out the rest of it. Just like that. Looks good enough. Looks like I could actually go a little to the left, so I'm gonna peel that off again. That's why I made that special cut on the sticker. Alright, that looks better. Now I'm going to press this on where I cut it. The backing off the sticker. And then, it's hard to do in front of the camera, guys, because I want to do it and get it on straight. So, alright, I moved the camera in a new position. Let me just try to peel off the rest of this sticker here now. Just like that, and then fold it back and gently go and check where it's going to be on the car if I got it right. Alright, I put it on as you've seen. I put the front piece on. Now I'm going to pull it all the way off the backing, but I just want to make sure I got this on. Now, I'm going to pull this off and just come down on it real smooth so you don't get no air bubbles. Pull some more off. Sorry if you can't see, it's hard to do on camera. This little back piece, and voila, that's it. I'll rub it on with something. Just press it on, get it on good. I'm just using my slippery coat shirt thing. And that's it. That's how it goes on. Let's see if I could get it in there for you guys. Looks pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat mine up with the hair dryer a little bit. That way it'll stick on better. Looks good. All right. Now you want to press it on again while it's warm. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think? Looks pretty good. That should help protect it. That's the fit of it. You could have brought it back just a hair further, like a millimeter, 2 millimeters right there. That's how it fits. And that's the place. I'll have linked in the video description below so you could check these out if you want to get it for yours. Easy to put on. They're pretty thick, so they should protect it pretty good. They're not real thin. I don't know if you could see that. They got a nice thickness to them, so should be good. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed the install of the chassis protector. Appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. And next time you'll see this one out running for the first time. Later, guys.